Are you happy?
Yeah, I copy you. Yeah, where you guys at? Come on, you guys, where are ya?
I'm right behind you.
I know, but I can't get out of the mag. It's a restriction, it's going away from us. And we can't do nothing about that. Can't we, Michael? You guys, I need a... Okay, right, okay. Let me, Let me go and see what you guys are doing, okay? I'll be right back. What's going on? Ferrari is crying. We are in big trouble. What happened? She's scared. Who? Ferrari. Guys, come on now, let's get out of here before the storm we intensifies. Let's go. I still can't get out of this mud, man. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Forward drive, I'm gonna re-gun it. That'll work. Why did we do it in the first place? Some like a night? Yeah, I bet your kid could do that trick. Okay guys, we're on the road again. Let's go on the shortcut. Give me a map. We don't have a map. Good grief, we don't have a map. What are you doing? Trying to get it going, Lloyd. What's that? What are you doing? What are you doing to my camera? That's a storm camera. I know what, take some pictures. Take a picture of what? The dog crawled behind us. No, it's over here from the south. You gotta take a picture from the south? Hmm? Here, hang on. Not me. It's storm clouds. Oh, I'm sorry. Michael, Nay, you are so funny. Oh man, it's going north. How the heck you know? Look at the clouds, you're going north.
Hurricane has a map.
Hurricane has a map. Okay, okay, can I talk to a hurricane for a minute?
So, yeah.
Okay, where the storm is going, hurricane, and can you tell me anything about that?
It's going over I-71.
I-71. I know I-71 very much. Thank you, Michael. Where is it? Do you radio work? What? Do you radio work? Nah, in this car it don't work. What happened? I'm banging with the baseball bat. No wonder why I think they're booking.
This is Madonna.
Well, about time, McDonough. What you doing back there?
I'm trying to figure it out. The wind is changing to the north.
The wind is what?
Changing to the north. What is he doing back there?
What are you doing back there, McDonough?
No, I was saying out to turn around. I am.
No, you stay with the group, okay? Well. What? Look at that. The our team is going to set the stone. Jonas. It's Jonas and his team. Change frequency. Jonas, what you doing here? Well, I thought you were gonna be in storm. Well, we're gonna do the job for you. Look, you're going the wrong direction. It's going north. You can't intercept the storm from going north. Oh, really? No, it's not gonna look that way, Jonas. You gotta go back around. Okay. Whoa. Get your sideline though. Yeah, you got that right.
What's this guy?
Guys, it's a sideline though. We have to hit back. There's a road back there about 5 miles. If we don't get there, we can intercept that tornado. It's going north.
How the heck do you know?
I am Batman. I should know everything about weather. Okay? Let's turn around and intercept that thing from the north. Die. Shut the horns, man. What the heck? Hey, Ferrari, why are your cars so beeping at me?
I don't know.
This one just whipped out with a beautiful chick in the car. I don't know what he's going to do. You got any idea what the storm is saying?
Northbound.
Northbound. Okay, so why is we going northbound in?
Checking weather.
Go check the weather station. They can figure you out, alright? Let's do that. Okay, on my laptop here, we got 2 cells gaining north. So that's in the south, that one from the south. I think it's have a good chance to have a L4, F3 tornado into it. Okay. Oh, I should buckle my seatbelt up. Guys, it can get kind of rough, so be careful, Oh, ow. 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 I hate your watch. Oh. Ow. Oh. Okay. Alright, let's pull over. Oh man. I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything. Come back. I don't see one nail. Just pick up some more nails out. It's great. That's really great. I'll give you information when I come back, okay? Is somebody sleeping in the back of the truck? Is somebody sleeping? No, that's probably it has or something like that. Ooh, never mind.
Now what?